Today I'm gonna try to beat my level! Silent Stereo! Yes, that was the easy jumps. There is gonna be much more harder jumps than that. Don't worry, that was the hardest wave. There was only 2 wave parts in this goddamn gay level. It will be normal because next time I'm gonna fucking stop putting a fucking dot in my screen. Grr, I am angry. Can I get a new best right here, right now? By the way, unsubscribe to Rev the One. If you're subscribed to him, make sure to unsubscribe to him because he's the worst YouTuber and he will never upload a video ever again. I'm gonna be his replacement. I am his cousin and I am here to replace. Oh my, 96!